In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Amazon affiliate website with Hostinger, and you don't need any prior experience to get started. First, we need to head over to Amazon's Associates program, which is Amazon's own affiliate marketing program. It's a great opportunity to make use of Amazon's vast marketplace, earning commissions by marketing products to your website visitors. Once you're on the Amazon Associates page, look for the sign-in option. If you're already part of the program, this is where you'll log in. If you're new and don't have an account, no worries. Amazon makes it easy to join. Just click on Create Your Account and fill out the form with your details. They'll ask for standard information like your name, email, and a password that you'll use for future logins. Moving forward, it's time to fill out the main profile section within Amazon Associates. This step is crucial as it helps Amazon understand more about your website or the digital platforms you plan on using. They'll ask you to provide some additional details like your payment information and perhaps some tax information depending on where you are based. Once you've provided your main website details, you will be set to receive your unique affiliate ID. This ID is vital because it tracks the sales you refer to Amazon, allowing you to earn those delightful commissions whenever someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. Remember to keep this ID safe and handy. With your Amazon affiliate ID ready, our next stop is WordPress. Within WordPress, navigate to the section designed for affiliates, specifically focusing on Amazon affiliates. There's a nifty feature where you can paste your Amazon affiliate ID. This integration ensures that any links you create using the affiliate tools will automatically attach your ID, making tracking seamless and easy. Let's now focus on the API settings. You'll need to ensure everything is correctly configured. Make sure you request access to Amazon's PA API, which stands for Product Advertising API. This feature gives you access to Amazon product information, allowing you to create links dynamically on your website. Don't forget to save your settings to lock everything in place. Finally, having set up your affiliate links, let's explore content creation. Within WordPress, you have access to fantastic AI tools that can assist in generating content relevant to the products you're promoting. By using these AI content creation tools, you can create engaging and informative articles, posts, or product reviews that will drive traffic and conversions. Just head to the AI content creator section and start creating content that aligns with your niche. And there you have it. You've just learned how to set up an Amazon affiliate website with Hostinger without needing any prior experience. With a bit of dedication and creativity, you can now monetize your website through Amazon's expansive affiliate program. Happy affiliate marketing!